Hey there, fellow gearheads and DIY enthusiasts. I'm your trusted expert in the world of tools, and I've been tinkering under the hood for over a decade. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanics with the top 5 mechanic tool sets in 2024. If you're passionate about getting your hands dirty, fixing things, and keeping your vehicles in top shape, you're in for a real treat. But before we rev up our engines, make sure to explore the links in the description for more in-depth information. Give that like button a little torque if you're as pumped as I am. Don't forget to subscribe and join our mechanical community. And of course, tighten that notification bell so you're the first to know about the latest in tools and reviews. Now let's get our hands on these top mechanic tool sets. Starting at number 5, LISM 303 Pcs Mechanic Tool Set. The LISM Mechanic Tool Set is a comprehensive 303-piece collection designed to cover most small repairs and DIY projects. Made from top-of-the-line materials and finished with heat-treated chrome, these tools promise durability and resistance to corrosion, even in harsh conditions. This multi-purpose toolkit is suitable for handyman, construction workers, mechanics, and workshops, making it incredibly versatile. The set includes a comprehensive assortment of professional-grade tools, such as wrenches, a magnetic level, sockets, precision screwdrivers, a hammer, tape measure, and pliers. You'll find everything you need to tackle projects with ease and confidence. What adds to this set's appeal is the durable plastic case with internal molded compartments, keeping your tools organized and protected. It's easy to transport your tools wherever you go, ensuring that you always have everything you need at your fingertips. If you're looking for an excellent gift choice for handymen, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone in need of a reliable set of tools, the LISM Mechanic Tool Set fits the bill perfectly. With a wide range of tools and a convenient carrying case, this set makes it easy for anyone to tackle any repair or project with confidence. It's a versatile and easy-to-use toolkit that will be appreciated by both professionals and hobbyists alike. At number 4, DOALL DWNT 81534 Mechanics Tool Set. The DOALL Mechanics Tool Set is a robust and versatile 205-piece collection that any professional or DIY enthusiast would be proud to own. One of its outstanding features is the 72-tooth count ratchet, providing a 5-degree arc swing for maneuverability in restricted areas. The anti-slip driver handle ensures maximum comfort during use. The tools are housed in a durable carrying case with metal latches, providing security and protection. These full-polished chrome-finished tools are built for durability and corrosion resistance. The set contains ratchets, sockets, bit drivers, specialty and nut bits, combination wrenches, and hex keys, catering to a wide range of mechanical jobs. This comprehensive collection ensures you have the right tool for almost any task. The DOALL Mechanics Tool Set is designed for hard-working professionals, offering precision, durability, and a wide selection of high-quality tools. Whether you're an experienced mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this set is the ideal companion for your projects. At number 3, OEM TCE 004 A080 Mechanics Tool Set. The OEM Mechanics Tool Set is an 80-piece collection crafted for workshop assembly, garage repair, and other repair projects. What sets this set apart is the high-quality chrome vanadium material used in its construction, promising durability and anti-corrosion properties. This set stands out due to its extensive range of tools, including wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, bits, Allen keys, and more. All these tools are well organized within a sturdy toolbox featuring 3 drawers with EVA foam trays. The toolbox ensures that every component is easily accessible and protected from damage. The toolbox itself is built to last, making it suitable for professionals and handymen. It's practical for transporting your tools to different locations with ease. You'll find socket wrench sets, combination spanner sets, mixed tool sets, and more within the kit. If you appreciate quality and a variety of tools, the OEM Mechanics Tool Set is an excellent choice. It caters to a wide range of users, from professionals to DIY enthusiasts, and its colorful options add a personalized touch to your toolkit. At number 2, XNSJ 899 Pcs Mechanic Tool Set. The XNSJ Mechanic Tool Set is a comprehensive 899-piece collection designed to address every possible mechanical need, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIV enthusiast, this set has you covered for tasks ranging from minor household repairs to complex construction projects. This set is notable for its well-organized carrying case, ensuring that your tools remain protected and easily transportable. The variety of tools available ensures that you're equipped for various tasks, including wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, and sockets. This set is designed for anyone who demands reliability in their tools and doesn't want to waste time searching for the right one. The high-quality steel tools, finished in high-polished chrome, are designed for long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. XNSG even provides a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. With this extensive assortment of tools, the XNSJ Mechanic Tool Set is perfect for professionals and DIV enthusiasts. It's a convenient and comprehensive solution for tackling a wide range of projects. At number 1, WORX PRW00 3025 AE Mechanic Tool Set. The WORX Mechanic Tool Set is a reliable companion for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This kit comes complete with a variety of essential tools, including ratchet spanners, wrenches, and sockets. It's tailor-made for car repairs and bicycle maintenance, ensuring that you have the right tool for the job. One of the standout features is the quality of these tools. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, they are robust and durable, promising longevity and performance. The ratchet wrench is engineered to withstand heavy use without deformity or breakage. This tool set simplifies your mechanical tasks compared to traditional screw sets, offering convenience and reliability. It's not only practical for car repairs, but also perfect for a range of bicycles, from road bikes to folding bikes. It's reassuring to note that WORX Bureau backs this product, offering excellent customer service. Users have expressed contentment with the set's beautiful appearance and are eager to test its performance. This toolkit is well suited to both professional mechanics and hobbyists who need a dependable set of tools.